Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, claude-howto, a visual, example-driven guide that demystifies how to use Claude for coding. It's exploding in popularity because it provides copy-paste templates that deliver immediate value, taking you from basic concepts all the way to building advanced AI agents. How many powerful software tools sit on a developer's system, with 90% of their potential just waiting to be unlocked? It's a common story. A developer learns the basics of a new AI assistant, but misses out on its most transformative features. Well, a new project on GitHub Trending is here to solve that exact problem. The project is called claude-howto, from Developer Illusion 89. It's a visual, example-driven guide for mastering Claude Code, a popular AI development tool. And to be clear, this isn't an application. It's a structured curriculum. The project's traction is remarkable, gaining over 6,500 stars, with more than 1,100 of those added in just one day. That kind of rapid growth shows it's solving a very real and pressing need in the developer community. The core problem it tackles is the gap between knowing what a tool can do and knowing how to make it do something truly useful. Official documentation often works like a reference manual. It describes individual functions, like /commands or hooks, but it does so in isolation. What's usually missing is a clear learning path that shows how to connect those features to solve complex, real-world problems. Developers can see the building blocks, but they don't have the blueprint. This guide aims to be that blueprint, turning scattered knowledge into systematic skill. The project's architecture is built on information, not software. Think of it as a masterclass, structured into progressive modules. Its real technical value is how it breaks down Claude Code's core design principles. First up is declarative configuration. The guide demonstrates how to define the AI's behavior using simple markdown files for commands and agents. This means developers can customize the AI with very little code. Second, it covers event-driven automation through hooks. These work a lot like Git hooks. They let you run custom scripts in response to AI events. For instance, automatically formatting code before it's written. This opens the door for really deep integration into a developer's workflow. And finally, the guide explains the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This is a standard interface that lets the AI securely access external tools like GitHub or a database. The project provides templates to get this running, which is the key to creating agents that do more than just talk. They can take real action. So, what does this look like in practice? It means developers can build some truly sophisticated automations. For example, a team could create a fully automated code review process. A simple /command could trigger multiple specialized subagents to check for logic, style, and security flaws. Project memory features can even help onboard new engineers faster by teaching them team standards. The guide also shows how to integrate Claude Code into an automated testing and deployment pipeline, what's often called a CI/CD workflow. Best of all, the barrier to entry is low. A developer can clone the repo, copy a single template, and see immediate value. From there, they can follow the guided path to build much more complex systems. While there aren't formal reviews just yet, the community is speaking loud and clear through its actions. Over 6,500 stars and more than 700 forks show a strong endorsement. It's clear that developers aren't just using the guide. They're actively adapting it for their own teams. The author's commitment to keeping the project in sync with every new Claude Code release also builds a lot of trust. It signals that this is a reliable, living document meant for the long haul. Of course, there are a few potential risks to consider. The project is tightly coupled to the Claude Code tool itself. If that tool changes its API or gets discontinued, this guide would lose much of its value. The promise to keep it updated also creates a significant maintenance burden for the author. And beyond that, encouraging users to run scripts through automated hooks introduces a potential security vector. Users really need to trust the source of these scripts to avoid running malicious code on their systems. Ultimately, claude-howto is more than just another tutorial. It's a structured methodology for unlocking the full power of a complex AI tool. It directly addresses that critical, final mile problem in software adoption. It's all about turning a casual user into a power user, someone who can build genuinely useful automations.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.